Dialpad is where work comes together. You can message, call, and meet all in one place. Let's take a closer look at team messaging. This is your Dialpad workspace. From here, you can collaborate one-on-one, send business texts, and get organized in channels. Channels are designed for team collaboration. You can share files, drag and drop to send images, customize your messaging notifications, or set your status if something comes up. Plus, you'll never lose track of things, since every message, file, and transcript is archived and easily searchable. And when you're ready to start a call or hop on a meeting, that happens in Dialpad too. You can also integrate your favorite apps like Microsoft 365, Google Workspace, Salesforce, Zendesk, and more. Say goodbye to app switching or scattered emails and bring all your teams together in one beautiful workspace.